It counts.
Wait, what was it again?
180.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, that. Wait, did you skip me? No, wait, no, that's my turn. Yeah, it's his turn.
Is this a peanut roll? I can what? Let's do it all. Peanut roll.
I am
I
cold.
forgot what Keegan did. Front flip.
I did a 180.
You do front flip, hit your back. Oh yeah.
I did a 180.
Like this. Okay, fine, I'll do it.
I did a 180, guys. So don't forget that.
No,
Nice.
Oh my God, he's so dumb. You did a front flip.
Yeah.
Did that, and you did that. Fine, do that.
Alright.
Okay. No.
Alright, 180. Nice. Now what are you gonna add?
I don't know. Just do a peanut roll.
What is he gonna do, guys?
It'll make us more selfie. Okay, so
Oh!
you messed up.
No? No?
This was adding on, Aria. Peanut roll. That's not a peanut roll.
Now you have to jump to your back.
Yeah.
You have to jump higher. You have to jump higher.
And hit your back, not you. Oh, geez. Like this, Aria. I know what to
My neck's stinging.
like that.
Oh, we'll count it.
Okay. And then what was it?
Front flip.
Front flip.
What?
On
Oh
the
yeah,
back.
on the back. And it's the 180.
Okay.
180. Try it. Oh, okay. The person who loses this challenge has to take off their socks or their shoes.
Yeah.
They're wearing shoes.
And their shoes and their socks.
No?
Except for you. What about you? You only have socks on.
Yeah. So if me and Kitten lose,
Yeah.
we have to take off our shoes. And we'll have to be on our socks. And in the next challenge, we have to lose our socks.
No, you guys have to lose your socks.
At the next challenge, we have to lose our socks.
No.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's not fair if I get only one.
Okay, just do the trick. Soaking.
What was it next? 180 and then something.
My front flip.
And
Hit
then-
your back. And you have,
And
to
then
do, and you have to do a front flip.
And hit your back again.
Yeah.
I hit my back.
Okay.
Here, can I do it? I guess I'll do
No, it's my turn. No, after our
I didn't do it yet. I didn't do it. Alright. Forward handspring.
We can't do that.
What? Fine, you guys can at least try. Yeah. And first off, it's this. And now, it's, what is it?
Guys, I will take a sacrifice.
What is it, guys?
My sacrifice is to take off my shoes. Guys, I'm taking a sacrifice. That means you, Kaden, you have to take them off with me.
I'm taking them off.
Oh, just put them on the outside.
Now get your socks wet. Hurry! Take your socks wet!
Okay, guys.
We still have to be taking a shower.
No, we don't. We have
Yeah,
to
we
do
do.
the new challenge.
Yeah.
It is game of flip.
Wait, no, it's a game of stick.
Oh no, we can't do stick.
Yeah, it's gonna be a challenge.
No, what do we do? Game of flip. That's no challenge.
There's no backflip. That's the only thing you cannot do.
Okay, you start out filming. All right, guys, he is going.
That's so easy.
All right, Arya's turn.
No way.
She did not do it. You didn't hit your back. You?
Wait, you were supposed to hit your back?
Yes.
Yeah. I thought you were supposed to hit it.
Okay.
I literally have rips in my pants, short sleeves, and socks.
Well,
That are
I'm the
so
same. He's the one who has long sleeves, long pants. But we all have long
rips in
pants.
your jeans.
Hey, that's your fault. Well, yeah.
Taylor days.
Oh, did you get pass down? Hey,
It's
no. Ah! You!
You have an F. It's an F. I know.
You get an F now. Your turn.
My turn. Alrighty. 180.
Yep. Okay.
You go. You go 180. You have to place it. So.
You put your hands on the ground. That means you get.
Oh no!
Fine, I won't let you take your socks off because you have like short sleeves, you have holes in your pants,
And I'm soaked.
I am too! I am so
We're
clean!
so wet.
We all are soaked!
Not your socks.
Yeah!
You
I'll see your trick now! I know he can do it, but he has to land it! Oh!
Oh, yeah, please. Okay, you cannot tuck on this one.
Okay, Kai's coming out.
Straight up.
Oh! Alright, my turn!
You have to land it. Alright. No tucking. You tuck.
No, I didn't! You have to You have to cut that out.
That was not it, dude.
It's an F! I know I got an F.
Wait, we both have an F.
That's so nice.
And you have an F out.